Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the process to create files in Saral Pro. The first file will be created during the first login to Saral Pro. Subsequently, if you are required to create more files, then we can follow the upcoming procedure. To create a file, click on the plus button shown at the right bottom of the screen. Enter the details like file name, state, and mobile number in the displayed window. Here you are required to select the modules you want to enable, that is GST module, TDS module, or income tax. According to the module selected, the other related fields will be made mandatory to be entered, like TAN will be mandatory if TDS module is enabled. Next, if the details have to be captured branch wise, then enable branch. This will be applicable where a company has multiple branches under the single registration. After entering the details, save the information. This ends the process of file creation. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.